guess all you can do right now is ask Richard for it until we find something else.
Yeah, he just doesn't. Yeah.
You gotta stay on him.
Yeah,
I think once you realize in the past, you've asked for more and he's offered him and you've kind of not followed up on it. I don't know if he knows how serious it is. Again, the systems are fine and no technician concerns. It was just.
Yeah,
And they have a completely automated system. You should apply at Whole Foods. Either Sonoma or Napa. And they hired Evan.
Yeah, no retail is really
We're going to do
crazy.
McDonald's.
Yeah, but it's not. I mean, I have experience there. Well, not much, but.
What's that?
I mean, experience is like, I mean, they don't, I don't know. I never really see management change every like year or under like so often. Like retail, they change like every few months. Like, it's kind of.
Carrie's doing it. You know, a lot of, I don't know, I think Whole Foods would be different.
I mean, store manager. I mean, store manager. They.
You know, because like when I worked at Kroger, we had the same, the same, management staff the whole time.
Yeah.
I think it was just San Francisco in that area, that was maybe that one location.
No, all locations are like that. Martinez was like that too. I remember working for one store manager. I don't know what's happening. A month later, it was like someone else. They get moved around a lot too. I mean, to even different parts of the state. I mean, oh yeah, but they don't know about it till like the very last minute, like the day before or the day off, I think. Like, oh yeah, it's very last minute. Especially now with Albertsons holding them fully. Took them a few years to fully merge everything.
Like I said, Carrie's management, she's been there for a while.
Well, that's front end manager, not the store manager themselves. They can move around a lot. They don't stay long. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, because I worked for like front end manager. She was there quite a while. I think she was moved to DC all of a sudden.
What's that?
But no, that was like a front end manager that got moved.
Because I know Dawn, I know his sister,
Oh,
has worked at Trader Joe's for like ever, and she's making like buku bucks.
oh yeah. Yeah.
It's just gonna
Oh, yeah.
let's go buy something, give me something to drink, to go by the Symphony and hang out with Stephanie's house. Yeah, I haven't been this thing there for a while.
Oh no, I was just going towards snow mine kind of see.
I think it'd probably be cheaper to stop off at this 7-Eleven or some kind of store like that.
Yeah.
Because even McDonald's raised their price now. It used to be $1 for any size. Now it's $1.60 for any size.
Oh, it needs to cover all the. Yeah, to cover their. Yeah, I used to go the high wages.
Yeah, you know where they push them off here.
Oh,
creamy mashed potatoes, and a biscuit. Only at KFC. Prices and participation vary. Tax, tip, and fees extra.
Other signal.
First visit PSA test.
Yeah, not a lot of plays on. Yeah, letting go people to thanks to the wage hikes.
See, and I don't understand that
Cover,
because
yeah, to cover their.
God forbid they're not making $1 billion a quarter.
Yeah.
They can afford to make what, 9 million instead of 90 million instead of $1 billion. They just don't want to lose anything.
And to cover the employees too.
But you know,
benefits.
I'm saying, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So you know, you're not getting as much money as you were getting before. You're getting money.
Yeah.
I don't want to get money. My money taken away from me. Then you're the problem. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
One of the handicap spot. Get the placard up.
Oh, yeah.
If we do that one, because I can see the door open,
Oh,
or pull it wide enough that I can get the door open.
Oh, yeah.
So many shows that they're going to be coming to town. Well, Live Nation is having a concert week this week, and every day at 7:35 a.m. I'll just make you give another chance tomorrow, by the way. They have a chance for you to win Live Nation concert tickets of your choice. But just so you know, you can purchase for as low as like $25. This is going on through May 14th. But I want to go see Alanis Morissette and the Triple Moon Tour. She's going to be on tour with Joan Jett. That's coming to the Shoreline in August. Also, New Kids on the Block have their Magic Summer 2024 with special guests Paula Abdul and DJ Jazzy Jeff. That's going to be fun.
And it's now backfiring against them. Every case now hangs in the balance, and is likely not. None of these other cases, I don't think, are going to be tried before November 5th. It's not going to happen. And for the reasons that we've stated, the tainted evidence as a